Do you know what will happen if a black hole and a white hole collide? A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. Similarly, a white hole is believed to be the exact opposite of black hole, where instead of matter being pulled in, it spits out incredible amount of energy and light. When a black hole and a white hole collides, the phenomenon is known as black hole bounce, and there is two possible scenarios that can happen when they collide. First is that the collision between them would give rise to a cosmic scale event such that of a big bang destroying our universe or maybe creating a new one. This would also release enormous amount of energy and radiation, outshining our entire galaxies. Imagine the brightest fireworks you've ever seen, multiplied by billions. Secondly, the energy emitted from this cosmic explosion might possibly tear the fabric of space-time, giving birth to what's known as a wormhole. A wormhole is a theoretical passage through space-time, connecting distant parts of the universe or even different universes altogether. This collision between black hole and white hole might be our future of space travels, where we can travel to another universe just in a snap of our finger. If you find this video interesting, comment down your thoughts and follow for more.